So Happy New Year! Dito tayo sa Common Ground again. Today is January 3. My birthday boy bukas. Happy birthday boy, advance. Okay, mabilis ang update lang. O, si Toothless nagpalit na ng Benta Grill, tapos nagpagawa ko ng ganyan-ganyan. Yun lang. Tapos, yun na. Susunod na yung video. Alright. Welcome to another episode, or I don't know, video. Hindi ko alam kung baka sino magkasama-samang video na magkakasunod eh. But yeah, today is November 29. Yeah. So we just finished changing the oil of Toothless again. And I'm gonna try to fix this one. So I'm gonna show you that one. If you can see there. So kailangan natin i-fix yan because mayroon tayong tagas. I don't know if this is the only one that needs to be changed kasi para siyang dust, boot dust yan. So I ordered things to fix this and I don't know how, if we can fix that all, but we'll try. So I'll open some of my parts that I bought and then we'll try to do that. Okay. So, ibubuksan po natin yung mga binili kong gamit for that. So, ito. This is yung oil seal ata to. Yeah. And this is dust boot. So, mas naunang matagal na tong mga to eh. Ngayon ko lang matagal na tong mga to. Ngayon lang natin bubuksan. Open this thing up. So, this one is the dashboard ata to. This one is the latest one. New oil seal. Kararating lang kanina. This is the oil seal. Yeah. Oil seal po ito. Yeah. It's the oil seal for the shift lever. Ooh. Boot. Just boot. So ito siya. That one. This thing is for that. Okay, let's try to remove that and fix it. Okay guys, so natanggalan natin siya. So yeah, medyo pinahirapan tayo. So ito yung tinanggal natin. Ito yung shifter lever chuchu. Basta yan. And then ito siya, ang naglilig kasi ito. Tapos yung nandito. I don't know how to remove. We'll see kung paano natin gagawin to. So we have successfully removed it. There you go. Ang ginamit ko lang dyan, long nose po. So basically yung low nose nandito. Tapos inipit kung ganun. Lalabas siya. So yeah, let's remove this and let's see. Is it really? Yeah. So ito yung papalitan natin. So I bought a new one. Malinisan na natin and ibabalik na natin sa loob. Okay? So, ganito kasi yan, pag pinasok nyo sa may lever, papasok nyo yun ito. Okay? Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya papasok talaga. Ganyan siya. Okay. So, ililipat ko na siya doon. So, update. I'm back. So, everything is done. Naibalik na natin until nakita ko to. This one sa silong ng sasakyan. It's supposed to be underneath yung malaking bilog to tapos mag-i-slide siyang ganyan. So, kailangan tanggalin. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. This supposed to go underneath there. You can see that. Supposed to go here. Doon. Ito. This should go there. Para kita nyo ba? Yeah. And it should go. Para ayun yung nag-slide here. Let me put it so you can see afterwards. Okay. Right there. So, yung block na yan should be the one sliding there. Ito nyo? Okay. Yan, so nailagay na ho natin wala kasing ilaw eh. So, yeah, naibalik na ho natin. Couple bits and dots and that's it. We'll try it later on, okay? Okay, let's see if we have all gears. Alright, so it's all done. We just gonna test it for a couple of days and then we'll see if what will happen, if it's good or not. Alright, so pretty much we're done. And thank you for watching again. I hope to see you guys. I don't know which episode will this thing be released, but ang dami ng videos na naka-ready for release. And yeah, I don't know. So yeah, I just have to clean and everything and then we're done. Thank you guys. Goodbye. Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street and I know it's my time to go. Hey guys, it's another weekend. So kung last week si Toothless yung na-pamper, tayo naman ang magpapapamper today. So we are here at a coffee shop called 7 Cup. Nandyan din si Toothless. Of course, lagi natin kasama si Toothless. At eto na nga, tara na at magsundo kay Madam. So ayan na nga si Madam. Tingin ka naman here. And a little bit of smile please. There you go. Diretso na kakain kasi nga nagmamadali kami. We have an appointment here dito sa spa. Supposed to be massage lang ako. Pero sabi niya, let's do foot massage. Sabi ko, okay. Gusto ko yun kasi napagod na yung pa ako. Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street and I know it's my time to go. So yun nga, sinimulan na nga nila ate. So yan, kinakaskas din natin ng 300 grit sa liha. Anyway, sabi na ate, bakit mas makapal tong right mo sir kaysa sa left? Sabi ko kasi ganito yan ate. Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street and I know it's my time to go. So after nga lihain natin ng 300 grit, ayan, medyo mas mataas na yan, 3,000 na siguro yung gamit natin para mas smooth yung ating pag Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street and I know it's my time to go. So tinutuloy pa rin ni ate yung pagliha ng ating paa ng mga 3,000 grit siguro yan. At actually nakatulog ako dyan, ang sarap ng tulog ko. At nananaginip ako na ako ay Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street and I know it's my time to go. So So after nga nun, kailangan pa nilang ganyan pala, lilinisan pala nila ng ganyan. So ang sarap niyan, may rubbing. Tapos yan, para madulas-dulas tayo
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street and I know it's my time to go.
So after nun guys, magpapamassage nga pala kami, no. Kung sa sasakyan, kailangan mo magpa-tightening ng mga bolts. Ganito din sa katawan natin. Alright, at natapos na kami magpamassage. Ang saya lang, ang sarap sa feeling. Nakasleep naman tayo ng maayos. Alright. So, yun na nga, uwian na guys. So, walang deja vu ngayon dito kasi nga bawal, kasama natin si Madam. So, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.